Hi, my name is Amish Agarwal. I'm an advocate. I practice law in Delhi, and today I'm going to be talking about whether you can go to jail or whether you can be apprehended by the police if your relative or your friend has committed a crime and has now run away from the police. A situation like this arose about 2 years ago where a client of mine who was accused and convicted of murder by the Sessions Court and by the High Court, I was now preparing his special leave petition in the Supreme Court against the order of the conviction. In the meantime, the client had fled his house from his village. His relatives who were living over there were constantly visited by the police, who used to trouble them all the time. On one occasion, the police picked up the nephew of my client and told the other relatives, if you do not bring back the convict, we will we'll arrest this nephew. The reason why in the first place my client accused and convicted of murder was out on bail was because the Sessions Court had, of course, when he was in custody, convicted him, but the High Court of Allahabad, High Court of Uttar Pradesh, being as slow as it is, it suspended the sentence of the accused person during the pendency of the appeal. Now the appeal was decided about 30 years later and it was dismissed. Then the person was directed to again submit himself to custody. The person, being out on bail for almost 30 years now, did not want to go back. We were in the process of approaching the Supreme Court, but in the meanwhile, when the police started troubling and apprehended the nephew of the accused, the convict, I say accused because it's not accused, it's convict now because he has already been convicted. So the convict's nephew, when he was picked up, the other relatives called me and asked me, what can we do? Is it legal for the police to do this? And I explained to them that the police cannot arrest you if your relative has committed a crime. And if that has happened, I suggested them, because they were in a small village in UP, I could not possibly reach there myself. I told them, you should go to the local court, you should apply before the local magistrate saying that the nephew is being illegally detained. The magistrate will issue notice to the police, who will have to then file their status report. And before you even go and file it, when they find out that you are going and filing it, when you inform the police this, they themselves will release the nephew. This is precisely what happened. Even otherwise, the police under the CRPC, that is the Criminal Procedure Code, have to, within 24 hours of arrest of a person, produce him before a magistrate. And so a lot of times when the police apprehend you or keep you inside the police station, they are just trying to intimidate you, and in all likelihood, before the 24 hours from the time of arrest or from the time of apprehending you is up, they will automatically let you go. And if they don't, you of course have the option of filing an application before the magistrate. You have the option of going to the High Court under Article 226 of the Constitution of India and filing a writ of habeas corpus. I personally believe that an application before the magistrate is much more convenient, much more easier, much more accessible. If you are in Noida and something has happened to you, it will take much more time for your local lawyer or your relative or your friend to approach the High Court of Allahabad to get you released from the police. If the police trouble you, if the police arrest you in situations like this, it's always best to approach the local magistrate who has jurisdiction over that police station, the police of which are troubling you, and seek the remedy from that particular magistrate. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up button. Please subscribe if you like this. Thanks a lot.